Hey guys, in this video we are going to use this kind of leaf to make any kind of scenery, as you can see. In this we are making a dinosaur with the help of dry leaf, which is standing on the green leaf. Applying more leaf around it to make a greenery. It's ready. Now we are moving to the next. Here we are making a caterpillar moving on the leaf, a dry leaf. So just to make the caterpillar's body with the help of a leaf. In the next, we are going to make a smiley flower by using a dry leaf, making the emoji, put it into the center, applying green leaf, it's ready. Now in the next, we are going to make an moving ant on the land in this way, as you can see in the video, using a clay to make an ant. Now applying a leaf in this way, as you can see. In the next, again we are going to use a dry leaf in making the lion's hair in this way, as you can see. A cute lion is ready. Now we are going to use the leaf, a green leaf, in making a peacock's tail in this way, as you can see. Wow, beautiful, amazing. And it's done. Making its branch with brown color, greenery with green, it's ready. We are going to make a cactus by using a leaf, as you can see in the video, in this way, and it's ready. Now here we are using this leaf to make gown of this doll in this way, and it's done. In the next, we are making this animal and applying the leaf to fill its back in this way, as you can see, putting some clay over it. It's ready like this, and after this done, beautiful. Now here we are using a leaf to make a face of wolf in this way and a cute boy on another like this, and after this done, beautiful. And here again we are using this leaf to make a standing bird in the greenery in this way, as you can see, beautiful, in this way, and it's ready. In the next, here we are going to make a bugs with the dry leaf moving on the green leaf like this, and after this done, beautiful, in this way, as you can see. Wow, beautifully done. Here we are making a pot by using a dry leaf to make its petal and cut it out like a pot. A flower pot is ready. In the next, we are pouring the green to make a greenery, a sky with the light blue, sun, cloud is ready. Now making the hen in this way and its cheek in the behind, putting some flower like that, which is made up of clay and sheets, and it's almost done. It's ready. Again we are using this leaf to make a rose flower pot in this way. So just rolling it up in this way, applying another flower around it like this, and after this done, beautiful. Thank you for watching.